how to use landscape mode in iPhone, how to turn on landscape mode in iPhone. Now if you want to learn how to use landscape mode means that whenever you put your iPhone on a landscape mode, the screen also must rotate to the landscape mode. So unfortunately what happens is that on iPhone not all the apps support landscape mode, only some of the selected apps like maybe YouTube or Google Chrome, those apps. So for this, first of all, when you're on your control center, you can see the auto rotate icon, so you want to make sure this is unchecked for it to actually rotate freely. Now let me just go ahead and then rotate this iPhone a little bit like this right here, and you can see it is actually not rotating with it. So even if I open settings, now it's because these apps are not supported. But if I open an app that is maybe, let's say, supported here, right? So let's say I'll open any other app here instead of that, then in that case that particular app could actually be supported. So in this case YouTube is also not supported, but you have Safari here, you can see Safari is supported. I'm using it in landscape mode. So it just depends, because iPhones does not have all apps support for landscape mode. So I hope that they fix this in the future as well. Hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.